Click view all, and let's say we're going to get research and information. So let's take from my farm research. These are the different people who have research information. So I'm going to take Atoti and Sons, because we can see the income color, the prices, and the pieces that they have. So let's click buy. We choose research information. The supplier speaks English and Luganda. They have 53. That's the details about the research. So different details on produce in different districts. So let's buy. Let's say I'm going to buy 3 copies. So the payment gateway opens up for us to pay for the service fee. So it shows here MTN or Airtel. I have MTN, so let's fill in the number. Okay, now click proceed. So it will prompt you to put in your PIN, which I will have done, and then wait for it to load to confirm the payment. So payment received, thank you, and we close. So this bid has been sent to the supplier, and we can even view invoice, which are here. Tap it, and it shows our invoice for what we have ordered and what we have paid for right now.